How to search on Chrome. First, you go to Chrome, then type the www.google.com, then click the enter. Then here is the result, and then you type what you want to search. For example, internet research, and then click the enter, or if it's in computer, click the enter or return. And then you can now see the search result, and here is the example, and that's all. Thank you.
Number of search results. First, open the Chrome browser. Make sure you use search box and type accountability. The result will look similar to page. Look just some above the definition box to see a large number. 1,050,000,000. This is the total number accessible web page and image about accountability. This also took the search engine only 0.24 seconds to find the information.
This video will guide you on how to use image search. First, go to your preferred browser and type google.com. On search bar, type what you're looking for. Let's type cat for example. Google will give you many results. To find just the image of a cat, simply click on images on menu bar. Now it will show you many cat images. Now next, using image to search. If you have image you want to search with or existing photos on your device, click on this icon in search bar and select the photo on your device gallery. It will analyze the image and provide more information and details. Tap on any search result to view more details and visit related website. And that's how you use image search.
So hello everyone, my name is JR Aquino. So I learned in module 2, specifically in Google Scholar search, that when you want to search something and you want the exact result, use quotation mark. For example, when you are searching artificial intelligence with quotation, it give you a specific result. Look at that, so specific. But if you want a broader or wider information, use OR instead. For example, when you are searching like climate change, type climate change or global warming instead.
To search using Google, start by opening your web browser and navigating to Google's homepage by typing www.google.com in the address bar. As you can see, I'm in the homepage of the Google already. So after that, once you are on the homepage, locate the search bar and enter your queries such as brand strategy. Then press enter or click the Google search button. As you type, Google may provide suggestions based on popular searches, which you can choose from or continue typing your full query. After initiating the search, Google will display a list of search results related to your query, including a title, brief description, and also a URL. Review the result to find the information you need, and if necessary, refine your search by adding more specific keywords or using filters. As you can see here, there's also image, video, and also a PDF book of what you've been searching. Explore the search result by clicking on relevant links to access more detailed information. That's it. You successfully conducted a search using Google.
Good day. This is what I learned in Module 2, discussion of searchability, especially in searching on Chrome. So first is open the Chrome browser. Then click the tab on your phone. Then type the www.google.com. And then enter and press enter once the browser is open. You will see the Google search bar and then type the rate, and then for the example, type the rate of poverty in Philippines. And then click the search. I click the enter. So that's it. Then you will see that there are many articles, and then click the article that you will like,